morning, friends. It is 7:07. How you guys doing? So today is the maiden flight of my HobbyKing Flycat. I've only flown one other EDF airplane in my life, which was the multiplex twister. I should also say I had the multiplex twin jet as well, which I had converted to an EDF. So I also had that one as well. So, but nothing this nice. Anyway, I'll be out at the field pretty soon, and we'll get to some maiden flight. Bye.
This one she just yanked right out of my hands.
Yeah, buddy. I feel like in the movie Airplane.
Are you doing little ground effects to bring it back to you?
Remember the movie Airplane where the crash test?
Hey everyone, it's 7:07. I'm going to fly the Flycat today. I flew it last weekend for the maiden, but somebody, and I won't mention any names, messed up the video.
Yeah, I am.
I'm coming.
Alright. Okay, take it off.
He goes, you can call me. I go, yeah, good. Yeah, he had to get. Really? I couldn't tell where you were till.
It's really weird that I'm getting the low battery alarm now. Hey Mark, I'm gonna land it real quick just to check the voltage.
Alright.
And if we get
I'll come back just in case it crashes.
yeah, it's new. And then I go
Alright. Alright. Hey, that was a pretty nice flight. Yeah, this is kind of an old battery. It says it's at 3.85, so I don't know why it's saying that it's out of batteries. Check the CG. That's pretty good. Okay. It's an old, that was an older battery, and I didn't fly it the first time with the battery alarm in, so it was probably sagging and I just didn't know it. So this battery this is the bigger battery. We'll see if it, we'll see if it takes off. All right, take it off. Here we go.
Fast pass.
Fast pass.
Fast pass.
Get a person to your right.
Okay, thank you. I'll keep it high.
John's on the field. I'd love to, but the jet can't afford to give me planes.
I'll give you planes. I just need green things.
Nico was asking, he said, where do you think you'll be at that level? Never.
Dude, I'm not at any level, let me tell you that. I'm not an expert of anything.
But you dabble. You have a little bit of everything, which that is so cool. That's what I like. That won't fire? Oh, no kidding. All right.
Look at getting faster.
You landing?
Yep, landing.
I got it.
Everyone say big thanks to Margot for filming. Alright. Big 5500 Gen Z's. Alright, done. Okay guys, so this time I'm going to do a hand launch. I've only done it once before and it belly flopped on me, but I actually threw it too far up in the air. So I'm going to go left hand airplane, right hand sticks, and full throttle on the throttle. So last time I had it pitched up too high, so I'm going to just pitch it like that and just kind of let it go. Try to. Almost a stall.
Nice, I got it.
So next time I'm going to launch it, I'll launch it more flat next time. No, it's HobbyKing. And we will land.
Okay. You gonna land or not?
Well, I wanted to slow it down a little bit because I was always coming in kind of fast, so I kind of held back elevator on that one to see if I could slow it down, you know. So guys, my thoughts about the Flycat is this is a really fun airplane. You need 6S, somewhere between a 3300 and maybe 5000. I would go 5500. It seems like it's a little bit too heavy for it, but it's really constructed very, very well. It flies very, very well. Pretty much low rates on everything for me because I'm not that much of an EDF pilot. But anyway, thanks guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.